Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today practice I am still learning English speaking. It is my story I'm gonna share with me. But it is very special. It is also a story. The first time it it is also speak in English practice little bird story. So listen now start. Once there was a big bird and he had a well and a small bird. The big bird he has a well sitting on the tree. The small bird singing and song. It is beautiful singing and song in a story is spoken English reading you can see more than. One day forest there was the big bird look from watching we eating food. But he didn't tired a big bird tired. He also sat in a basket big bird and even two in a big bird and very excited. The next day there was a big bird eating big food dinner together. He has a will also. The small bird like this singing and song. I have a win. The king rich man people here from bird lived here coming from into the king and rich man people. He small bird giving the crown. I hope in this my story improve your listening English speaking with me. Thank you so much watching in these videos.